and is a strong ruler, said that he has given us the land. But there's giants in the land, bro. How about that? They're giants. And then they say this is indication of the mindset. And this is why I say it's the danger of the grasshopper mindset. They say we are in our own eyes as grasshoppers. We are in our own eyes as grasshoppers. Their self-image sabotaged their destiny before they even started the conquest. How they saw themselves paralyzed them, moved them from faith into fear, and they said that we are grasshoppers. Friend, how you see yourself matters. That's why it's important, friend, to see yourself the way that God sees you in the Word. You know, on the front of my Bible, I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know if it's going to focus on that, if it's going to capture that or not, because it's trying to focus on the camera is trying to find me. But anyways, I don't want to see. Look, the camera. I got one of those auto trackers on, and because this is spontaneous, I don't have the remote and all that kind of stuff going on right now. On the front of my Bible, I have Jesus knows how to connect the message to the heart of others. Jesus know how to connect the message to the heart of others. They said we in our own eyes, we're like grasshoppers. Your self-image, it's your self-image is sabotaging the success that you want to have. It's how you see yourself, because how you see, I know this isn't grammatically correct, but it makes sense in the alliteration of what I'm trying to convey. How you see is how you will be. The Bible says in Proverbs 20, verse 23, verse 7, that as a man thinketh, your internal thoughts, friend, your internal thoughts become your external reality. Internal thoughts become external reality. If I hold it in my mind long enough, I will eventually hold it in my hand. Here's a reality. My life today, your life today, friend, it is the sum total of what I thought, spoke, and consistently acted on. Your life, my life, our life today. You look around, whatever you have, whatever is in your life today, you embraced it in your mind first. I know that's harsh, but it's real. So I asked this question: what if the only thing standing between you and peace is the way that you think? What if you can flip the switch in your mind? I'm talking about neuroplasticity, where you can begin the process of thinking new thoughts and carve out new synapse thought patterns and carve out new territory in your thinking. It is scientifically proven that we can change the development of our brains. We can change the development of our brain. The way that I focus, the way that I meditate and think. The Bible says in Joshua chapter 1, verse 8, let not this book of the law depart from thy sight, but you shall meditate it how often? Day and night. How often shall I meditate? Day and night. And conjunction, what's your function? And observe to do according to all that's written there. And then I shall make my way prosperous, and then I'm going to have good success. Good success is on the other side of meditation. Good success is on the other side of me visualizing my success, because Apostle Mike Freeman, the head pastor, senior pastor of faith